Welcome back to Learn Bulgarian. This is episode 3, and today we're going to learn something incredibly useful. We're counting from 1 to 10 in Bulgarian. Numbers are everywhere. You need them for shopping, telling time, giving your phone number, and so much more. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to count to 10 in Bulgarian with confidence, so let's get started. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder that Bulgarian uses the Cyrillic alphabet. Don't worry if it still looks unfamiliar. We'll always have pronunciation guides shown on screen so you can follow along easily. You've already learned all the letters in the previous episodes, so you're well prepared for today. Alright, let's learn our numbers. We'll go through them one by one, and I'll say each number twice, so you can really get the pronunciation down. Let's start with the number 1. The word for 1 in Bulgarian is едно. Едно. One. Next, the number 2. The word for 2 in Bulgarian is две. Две. Two. Now the number 3. The word for 3 in Bulgarian is три. Три. Three. Moving on to 4, the word for 4 in Bulgarian is четири. Четири. Four. Now the number 5, the word for 5 in Bulgarian is пет. Пет. Five. We're halfway there. The number 6, the word for 6 in Bulgarian is шест. Шест. Six. Number 7. The word for 7 in Bulgarian is седем. Седем. Seven. On to 8. The word for 8 in Bulgarian is осем. Осем. Eight. Almost there. The word for 9 in Bulgarian is девет. Девет. Nine. And finally, the big one. The word for 10 in Bulgarian is десет. 10. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121. 122. 123. 124. 125. 126. 127 осем. Wonderful work! Now let's do a quick count all the way through to help it stick. I'll count from 1 to 10 in Bulgarian. Just listen and follow along. Едно, две, три, четири, пет, шест, седем, осем, девет, десет. Now it's time for our repeat drill. I'll say a number in English and you have 3 seconds to say the Bulgarian word out loud before I reveal the answer. Ready? Let's go. What is the Bulgarian word for 3? 3. What is the Bulgarian word for 7? 7. What is the Bulgarian word for 1? Едно. What is the Bulgarian word for 5? Пет. What is the Bulgarian word for 10? Десет. What is the Bulgarian word for 8? Осем. Great work! Let's try a quick bonus round. I'll say the Bulgarian number and you say the English. Ready? Четири. That's 4. Шест. That's 6. Девет. That's 9. Две. That's 2. Fantastic job on those drills. Now, here's a fun cultural note for you. In Bulgaria, numbers play a special role in folk traditions. When Bulgarians give flowers as a gift, the number of flowers matters a great deal. You should always give an odd number of flowers for happy occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or celebrations. An even number of flowers is reserved strictly for funerals and mourning. So if you're ever buying a bouquet in Bulgaria, remember to count those stems and make sure the number is odd. It's one of those small details that really shows respect for the culture. Alright, let's wrap up what we learned today. We covered all 10 numbers in Bulgarian, from 1 all the way up to 10. The numbers from 1 to 5 are едно, девет, три, четири, and пет. And the numbers from 6 to 10 are шест, седем, осем, девет, and десет. We also learned that Bulgarians always give an odd number of flowers for happy occasions. For your homework, I'd love you to practice counting from 1 to 10 in Bulgarian. Try writing the numbers out in the comments below. Even better, tell me your favorite number in Bulgarian. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson. Share it with a friend who might want to learn Bulgarian too. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time. До скоро. See you soon. Great work today. You learned to count from 1 to 10 in Bulgarian. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next episode.